So in this video I'm going to explain how to insert a number in a binary tree. It is actually really simple. But first of all we're going to create the binary tree. Here I have numbers. There are 7 numbers. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to create this. We're going to create this tree with the numbers we have there. Okay. First of all, we're going to start by the numbers right here. So let's begin. We have 9. To analyze this graph, we need to learn that the left will always be less and that the right will always be more. Never forget that this number right here is the root. Sorry for the handwriting. So let's start. We have 9. So if we compare it with the root, we will have that 9 is less than 11. Therefore, it goes here. So it is going to be the parent. The parent. Yeah. Then we continue using the same rules, less, more. We have a 7. 7 is obvious less than 9. So we write it here. 7. But then we here have a problem. Because as you can see, we have a 5 and a 6. And if we keep doing this, it should be here. That it can obviously happen. I'm going to create another boolean here. So, is 5 less than 6? Yes. Therefore it goes here. 5. But then we have a 6. And it is more than 5. So I create another circle that in this case each circle represents the node. And I have this first part of my tree. Then we have a 12. So 12 is more than 11. So I'm gonna change color. Blue. So here I have a 12. Then we have a 15. 15 is more than 12. Sorry. We compare it with 11. We will see that's higher. And then we will compare it with 12 and we will see that's higher. That is why I have a 15 here. Then we go with 13. We compare it with 11. Yeah, 11 is less than 13, so it goes this way. And 13 is more than 12. So I add it here. I have here a 13. What goes next? 14. So I analyze it with 11, and yeah, obviously 14 is more than 11, so it goes this way. But it is also more than 12, so it goes this way till 15. Then 15, we can see that 14 is less. So, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. 13 goes here because it's less. I mean, it was my mistake. Then I have 14 that goes this way because it's less than 15. So I analyze it with 13 and it's higher. So it goes this way. And I have a 14. Perfect. So as you see, I have 4 empty spaces. But that is why we're going to fill it at the end of, we're going to insert instead of 1, we're going to insert 4 more. Let's see what the problem with this is. My problem says that I want to insert 20. So I reanalyze all the points and see where it goes. I have 20 is more than 11. It goes this way. 20 is more than 12. It goes this way. It is more than 15. So it goes this way. But as you see, there's nothing in here. It's empty. I can add the 20 here. That's the end of my tree. So, let's now fill the 4 blanks that I have here. We're gonna try inserting 10. I have 11. 10 is less than 11, so it goes this way. But it's higher than 9. It goes this way. Therefore, I have a 10 in here. But as you see, 11 is higher than 10. So if I insert 11, it will be repeating the same root number. So let's try another one with like 4. What happens with 4? No, let's try it with 8. Then we will try it with 4. We have 11. 8 is less than 11. But it is also less than 9. So it goes to 7. But it is higher than 7. So I open another node here. And here I have the 8. And because of my tree that's a little bit nasty, and then I have 10 here, and 10 goes here, and here. Okay. I have 10, I have 8. And I don't know, if I want to insert 4, for example. Let's try it. It's less than 11, it's less than 9, less than 7, less than 5, so it goes here. 4. And going this way, for example, every number will be more than 12 except for the root. And if it's not the root, it's going to be this the other part, the yellow part. So actually our tree, we can say it ends there. But I want you to notice something. As you should have known, I have a parent in here. That this parent contains 2 children. This parent contains 2 children. This contains 2 children. This contains 2 children. But this one contains none. So this is a leaf. This is also a leaf. So a leaf is when you don't have any child on the tree ends there. But as you see, the only things you need to analyze is first, if it's more or less, more or, sorry for the handwriting again, or less. And 2, empty or not. Empty or not. Those are actually the only 2 things you need to really analyze. Depending on the root, the more or less depends on the root and depends on the parent. Okay, so actually that's it. Thank you.